Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Brother SE600. With a clear LCD screen, an easy drop-in bobbin, variable speeds, and free motion sewing capabilities, this Brother machine has everything you'll need for sewing and embroidery projects alike. The SE600 comes with 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts for personalizing your projects. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin, this sewing and embroidery combo machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. This machine features 103 sewing stitches including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. Maximum sewing speed. The Brother SE600 computerized sewing and embroidery machine features a large 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen allowing you to preview your Our second best embroidery machine for home business is Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Working as both an embroidery and sewing machine, this pick from Brother is top rated for a reason, which is it's easy to use with its clear controls and included accessories. The SE1900 comes with 138 built-in designs and 11 embroidery fonts perfect for monogramming. This sewing and quilting combo machine includes an advanced needle threading function that easily pushes the thread through the needle with the press of a lever and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The SE1900 features 240 built-in sewing stitches including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. Preview your designs and browse editing options on the large full-color, 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen display. This easy-to-use and professionally engineered machine allows you to create projects from scratch with 240 built-in sewing stitches and 138 built-in embroidery designs. A large LCD color touchscreen display allows users to view their designs and editing options in full color prior to beginning their sewing project. The Brother SE1900 also features My Custom Stitch, which permits you to design your own custom sewing stitches and save them on your machine for future use. Third pick in our list is Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine. If you want perhaps the best embroidery machine for home business use, the PE800 is an excellent option because it features 11 font styles, 138 pre-built designs, and a USB port to add your own patterns. There's very little not to like about the PE800, but above all what I like most about the PE800 is that it features a signature Cyrillic font style. Featuring 138 built-in embroidery designs including scrollwork, florals and quilt patterns, the PE800 has numerous options to allow your creativity to flourish. The PE800's USB port allows you to import your embroidery designs into your machine's built-in memory. This embroidery-only machine comes with an embroidery foot and a 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery hoop perfect for stitching larger designs. For details, let's watch more.
Looking to up your embroidery game? You can bring creative ideas like these to life with ease. With a Brother PE800 5x7 embroidery machine by your side. The large full-color LCD touchscreen lets you add, edit, and preview designs before making a single stitch, and includes a generous 5x7 embroidery area to bring the designs to life before your eyes. There are 138 built-in designs to choose from if you're looking for inspiration, with 11 stunning built-in fonts to help you express yourself. You can seamlessly import designs via the handy USB port and preview it on the LCD touchscreen display. You can combine multiple designs, rotate things around, and even change colors and adjust lettering to fit your vision. Just look at those results. And of course, automatic needle threading makes things easy on you. Whether you're just getting into embroidery or you're a seasoned pro, the PE800 5x7 embroidery machine is the partner you need to create beautiful designs that pop.
Number 4 in our side is Brother PE535 Embroidery Machine. This embroidery machine offers multiple custom embroidery features that help make embroidery easy and fun. The PE535 features a 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area, 80 built-in designs, 10 frame patterns, and 9 unique font styles, lettering and monogramming. The PE535 embroidery machine also includes a built-in memory function that permits you to import designs from a USB memory stick via the USB port. The PE550D embroidery machine features a 3.2 So Smart Easy to View LCD color touchscreen that permits you to preview designs and see them in alternate colors before stitching. The PE550D is a flexible embroidery machine. You can easily adjust the built-in embroidery designs by aligning text at an angle or in curves, placing text on multiple lines, increasing and decreasing the spacing between letters, and more. This Brother embroidery machine has a built-in memory and a USB port for uploading your own designs. Let's watch more.
Reach to the next level with the Brother PE535 embroidery machine. It's the reliable partner you need to turn your creative visions into reality. The vibrant LCD screen allows you to preview your designs in full color before making a single stitch, and you'll have plenty of space to work with the generous 4x4 embroidery area. Choose from an abundance of beautiful built-in designs with a wide selection of lettering options, or add your own unique designs using the handy USB port. Just plug in to preview. You can edit the design right on the machine to get everything just right, changing the design position, colors, and lettering simply by touching the LCD screen. And automatic threading makes needle frustration a thing of the past. Your next creative project needs a great creative partner. Take your embroidery further with the Brother PE535 embroidery machine.
Number 5 in our top 5 best embroidery machine for home business list is Brother PE550D embroidery machine. Featuring 125 built-in designs including 45 Disney designs, the PE550D allows you to bring magic to any project. Personalize your projects with 6 English and 3 Japanese lettering font styles. Import your embroidery designs into your PE550D's built-in memory through the USB port. The Brother PE550D brings the magic of Disney to your embroidery machine. This easy-to-use and affordable embroidery machine features a 4" by 4" embroidery field along with an included grid sheet and built-in alignment tools that help you align your design and needle position for precise placement on your fabric. The PE550D Brother embroidery machine is packed with 125 built-in decorative designs, including 45 Disney designs. It also features 9 fonts for monogramming and personalization. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.